Right? You see this? Holy fuck.
Oh man,
Right, I think that's done. That's done.
Is that it?
Yeah. I think it's good.
Put a slug in there now, yeah? Do you put a slug in there? No. Oh god, man, that stinks. Don't put a slug in. Do you put a slug in? Oh, wait. Oh, that ain't doing shit, man.
Like, if you lay it low,
Don't you need something on
There, go.
Don't you need something on top of it, did you say?
No. You can if you want to catch it.
Yeah, but you can... Oh! Nah, it's working. Quite toasty, boys. That's very well.
Alright,
you ready?
CD number 2.
I got some light meat. Ready? Yeah. CD number 2, dude. Oh, that's sick. A bit more, mate. Come on, give us a bit more. Leave it. Yeah.
It's gonna catch fire.
Wait. Let it catch fire.
Oh, fuck, it stinks.
It's gonna fall over.
Nah, wait.
Shit.
Wait, we're still going.
She goes to my crap stand.
Let it catch up.
It's like, it's bending.
Look.
Did you throw the grape on the floor?
Oh,
no.
Pull out to the floor. Take it, put it on the floor now.
Do the grape.
Oi. Get. Look, it's like it's gone like paper. It's gone like.
So you shut the door, let's go.
2 minutes. Shit.
Whoa.
I had a filament like that one.
That's fine.
Do you reckon that's gonna blow up? Yeah, that's gonna fucking explode.
Purple.
Oh yeah, man. It's purple and whitish.
God.
Shit, it did it. Seems like that. Where's still fucking going? So, crisp packet meat, Asda, the best.
Asda beef and onion crisp. Here we go.
I got another one here. Let it burn up.
What if you put crisps in it?
Oh, you should let it burn
What
up.
about actual crisps?
Yeah. That's what we do, don't we?
Alright, crisp packet number 2.
That's fucking better than the CD, isn't it?
Let it burn up.
No, I reckon the CD's way better.
I should let it burn up. Wait, stay there.
I reckon the CD's way
Do you reckon we're damaging this microwave or doing it?
Yeah.
Oh no.
We're gonna fucking die. Is it alright? Go. Oh, it's gone out. It's gone out.
Fuck.
Wait, what? Oh shit, it's suspended in the glass thing.
Yeah. Fuck.
It's going straight to the top of the glass.
That glass is gonna fucking
I'm gonna put back from this camera. It's like suspended in the glass. That's fucking. Is that like plasma?
Yeah. Fucking turn it off. Fucking turn it off.
That was fucking fun.
It's good to know the microwave's still working.
Play that back, I want to see that.
Anybody?
Nah,